Hi, Chris from CNET here, and we're looking at the Neato Signature Pro 15 robot vacuum. This is a Roomba alternative, and a lot of people are going to like the price. At $449, it's a couple $100 cheaper than the Roomba or the LG HomeBot. The Neato distinguishes itself from other robot vacuums with its ordered approach to cleaning a room. It'll map out the perimeter and find the obstacles and the furniture in the way, and then go back and forth through all of it, which is a really nice approach. It does a good job covering the space, and it stands in stark contrast to other robot vacuums that employ a zigzagging, kind of chaotic, drunken Zamboni driver approach. The Neato is also really easy to use. You just press this button to wake it up, and then press it again to have it start cleaning. You can also set a daily schedule with the same time every day or different times at different days, and we like that a lot. That's a really nice customizable feature that works well. Another nice feature about the Neato is the bin. It lifts out right at the top of the machine, you don't have to flip it over, and it cleans really easily. The filter comes right out and you can dump out the dust. It's really nice. You can also swap out the brush on the underside of the Neato for easier cleaning on different surfaces. This one here is really good on carpets and good for pet hair, but there's also a brush they offer that's great for hardwoods. If you listen as it starts up, you'll notice that it's also a little bit loud. The loudest robot vacuum that we tested. It even sounds a bit like a jet engine on the runway taking off. In all of our tests, the Neato performed very well, especially on carpets and with pet hair. So the Neato is a really good vacuum, but is it a good robot vacuum? There are some features missing we would have liked to have seen. The Neato doesn't have a remote, and it doesn't have any customizable cleaning modes. It's going to clean it the way it wants every time, and you can't change that. If you take a look at the Neato in action, you'll see that it's a really slow robot vacuum. And in fact, it's the slowest robot vacuum that we tested. I think this is a good thing. It takes its time and it picks things up. It does a great job. It does a better job than most other robot vacuums. Also, it might be a funny thing to mention in a review, but the personality factor on this machine isn't quite there. The Roomba's got a little bit of a life of its own. It's sort of like R2-D2. This is more like something you'd see cleaning the Death Star. And maybe that's appealing for you, but for some, it's not going to be quite as fun or playful as you want. The bottom line for us is that the Neato is a great robot vacuum and one that we are happy to recommend. It cleans well, it's easy to use, and at $449, the price really can't be beat, especially if you're a pet owner or you have carpets. For CNET.com, I'm Chris. Thanks for watching.